Hey there, and welcome to the Marks Gray immigration team. My name is Giselle Carson. I am the lead immigration attorney for the team, and I am here to welcome you and also to give you just a tiny overview of this little video that you're going to be watching. We created this for you to save you time and energy as you complete the questionnaire that you will be receiving. The software that we use is BlueDot. That's our immigration software, is where your questionnaires are completed, where you upload your immigration documents to so that we can review them. So what we have done is one of our team members have gone through the questionnaire and actually trying to complete it and give you suggestions and instructions, recommendations as to how to complete it. So watching this video, which is very short, will save you a lot of time and energy as you go through this journey. So just relax, give us your full attention for a few minutes, and again, you will be rewarded with more time. The software is pretty simple to use, but we have heard from many of you that this short video is very helpful. So here you go. I'm going to pass it on to our team members who will provide you with a little bit more information as to what you need to do next. And I will see you at the end of the video. Bye-bye.
Immigration software is BlueDot. This is where you can fill out our questionnaire, upload documents, and review some informational resources. So you'll receive an email like this from us to set up your account and log in. It looks like this, and you'll follow the instructions. Once you're logged in, you'll see the pop-up questionnaire pending, and do you want to complete it? You can click yes, or you can click no and watch the introductory video. To get back to the questionnaire, go to the left-hand side, click the icon that looks like an eye to view it, and then you click the green button, Open Intake Form. It takes a couple seconds to load, and you'll review the information and start filling out additional information. Some of it might already be populated based on documents we received so far from you, such as a passport. So please feel free to review for accuracy, make any edits or corrections if needed. For contact information, we do ask that you provide your phone number and a US address and address abroad. So most of our clients are already here in the United States, so please go ahead and provide that. If you're not here already, then just leave it blank. For address abroad, it can be your family's house, it could be the place where you usually stay. But overall, these two addresses are needed for the purposes of immigration forms. Next is employment. This is just a sample, and you can see that we'll need the employer name, the address, the dates that you were there, hours per week, and your job title. For job details here in this section, you can just write 1 to 2 sentences, that's fine, or you can copy and paste from your resume. There's many other sections in here, so you can just fill it out as much as you have or as much as you feel is necessary. Next is educational history. For here, just put the name of the school and the start date and end date and the address and your degree. You can just pick something that's close enough. So you can do this, for example, and continue. If you have more than one college that you attended, then you can put that there. There's plenty of space. Next is the supplemental background. This is for us to get to know you and your immigration history better, and just other miscellaneous questions. If there's something you don't understand, let us know. We're happy to explain, or you can just skip it and submit the questionnaire and we can talk about it later. One of the last things is, are there any other immigration issues that we should know about? So, let's say I'm just going to put an example here. Maybe something happened a couple of years ago that you want to mention. You can just put a note there. That's fine. And we appreciate it. So overall, there might actually be other sections in this questionnaire depending on the type of visa case that we're working on with you. So you might go ahead and fill out other sections if needed. But when you're done, click save. And just remember to click save throughout. And you can actually come back to it later if you're not ready. You don't have to do it all in one sitting. And you click close. Under step 2, upload documents, this is just a general list. And at this point, if you're ready to upload some documents, you can, but usually not at this point. So that's totally fine. You can skip it. You will have another chance to upload it later on the left navigation under attachments, and that'll be shown later in the video. So go back down. There is a space for you to add a comment if there's anything you wanted to explain. Most people skip that, so no worries. You can just continue, go to the bottom, read the terms and conditions, click accept, and then submit questionnaire. Success. That's it.
There are 2 formats that you can upload and send documents over to us. The first format is through our immigration software program, BlueDot, and the second format is through our Marks Gray Secure File Transfer link. Through our first format, please log into your BlueDot account. Once you're logged in, please go to the Attachments tab right here in the left corner. While in the Attachments tab, click on the green button that says Add an Attachment. Click in this open space and it'll pop up a window to locate the file and/or files you would like to upload. And they'll show up here. And once you have all the files that you would like to upload, click submit. And there you have it. It is uploaded. Our second format is our Marks Gray Secure File Transfer link. You will be provided with the link along with instructions on how to upload and send documents over to us. Please review the instructions carefully to upload and send documents over to us successfully. In the recipient section, please include the immigration assistant and/or your assigned immigration paralegal's email address. The subject line is customizable, and you can include a message if you would like. You can also include a password as well. Please share this password with the recipient and/or recipients. Here, you will upload the files you want to send to us. In this section here, it is all defaulted for you, but you can change it if you would like. Please refer back to the instructions for guidance. Once you're all done, you click Send this file, and there you go. The file has been sent.
Okay, so welcome back. I hope that you have enjoyed this video and that it has answered some of the questions that you may have had about the immigration team that is going to be working with you, your immigration team. One thing that is extremely important, and you're going to hear us all say this, is teamwork. We believe that teamwork makes dreams come true. So we look forward to working with you, your employer, and our team to make your immigration a success story. We look forward to your partnership, and I will be talking to you soon. Take care. And again, thank you for being a part of this amazing journey. Bye-bye.